Hello everyone, welcome to Full Course Online. Is your phone dying before the day even ends? Let me show you 5 easy ways to make your battery last way longer, and the best part? You don't need to install any apps. First up, turn on battery saver mode. Just open your settings, scroll down to battery, and tap on battery saver. Go ahead and switch it on. This feature limits background activity and cuts down on some features to help your battery last longer. You can use it when your battery is low, or keep it on all day if you want to stretch battery life even more. Next, try reducing your screen brightness and timeout. Swipe down from the top of your screen and slide the brightness down a bit. You probably won't even notice the difference, but your battery will. Then go to Settings, tap on Display, and find Screen Timeout or Sleep. Set it to 30 seconds or 1 minute. It may seem small, but it adds up fast if you check your phone a lot. A lot of apps keep running in the background, even when you're not using them, and that drains battery. To fix that, go into Settings, head to Apps or App Management, and pick any app you don't use often. Tap on Battery or Battery Usage and choose the option to restrict background activity. You can do this for as many apps as you like. Now, let's talk about Bluetooth and location. If you're not using them, turn them off. Just swipe down from the top of your screen and tap the Bluetooth and location icons to switch them off. These features constantly look for signals or devices, which eats up a lot of battery in the background. And finally, use dark mode, especially if your phone has an AMOLED screen. It actually helps save power by turning off pixels that show black. To enable it, go to Settings, tap Display, then Theme or Appearance, and select Dark Mode. Also, turn on dark mode in apps like YouTube, Chrome, and Gmail if you use them often. So let's quickly recap. Turn on battery saver mode. Lower your screen brightness and timeout. Restrict apps running in the background. Switch off Bluetooth and location when you don't need them. And use dark mode if your screen supports it. Try out these tips today and you'll definitely notice your battery lasting longer. And hey, if this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy Android tips.